Hello everybody, it's Matthew, all about Matthew and Matthew's DIY projects. This is a multimeter I purchased from Bunnings Warehouse, but it's the wrong one. There, 000, switched on. Does amps and volts. Does AC volts, Forest 750 volts, and DC up to 1000 volts. And I bought the wrong one, sadly. So this is a multimeter bought from Bunnings Warehouse for $13, $12.50 probably, and it works. I'm now turn it off to say battery power, so I have to find a. There, it's off. That's off now. Remember to like, subscribe, and make a comment. This is about Matthew's multimeter for testing. I'm going to buy a Stanley screwdriver. Set from Bunnings Warehouse as well as a Stanley multimeter. Please like, subscribe, and share and comment. The power is yours.